Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account back to the personal. It's very simple, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your mobile is connected to the Wi-Fi or data. Then you need to go to Instagram application. After going to the Instagram application, go to your profile. After going to your profile, you'll see the three lines in the menu icon in the top right corner. Click here. After going to that three dot line, scroll down and you'll see the option called Creator Tools and Control. Click here. After clicking here, you will see this kind of interface, and go below and you will see the option called Switch Account Type. Simply tap on it. After clicking on it, you will see the option called Switch to Personal Account. Simply click here. After clicking here, you will see this kind of interface and select Switch to Personal Account. Confirm by tapping Switch back, and finally your account will be done to your personal account. And that's it. You have switched back to your personal account. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one.